Hello children, now second class mathematics. So take out your textbook children. So in previous classroom we are learning the ordinal numbers. So now page number 3, open it children. Page number 3. So in this page 2, see here fourth bit. So all of you open it, page number 3 children, textbook. See here, LOKLOK 88, THIDA, PICTURES pictures. Look at the pictures. READ read, THIDA, FOLLOWING following. Read the following. ITEMS items. AND and WRIT write. THEIR there. NUMBER number. IN THEDA. BOXES boxes. Look at the pictures. Read the following items and write their number in the boxes. See here, observe this picture children. Read the following items and their number also given, their box too. See here, okay. Here number given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here some things and some animals given. Things and animals given here. Vehicles. Yes children, are you observing these pictures? So vegetables also is there, fruit also is there. So okay children, so here down here asking the questions. So give me the answers. See here, first one. HOW, how, MANY, many, ANIMALS, animals. How many animals? ARER, THERE, there. IN, THEDA, ABOVE, above. PICTURES, pictures. How many animals are there in the above pictures? So how many animals are there in the above pictures? So let us count now. Find it. So how many animals are there in this picture too? So let us find now. So here animals is not there. See here children, how many animals are there in the above pictures? So how many animals having here? So let us count, check it. So in this first line too having any animal? No. So second line to check it. So here having one animal. One. How many animals are there in the above picture? See. Here one. One, two, three, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. 6 only. See here. Second one. HOW, how. MANY, many. VEHICLES, vehicles. CAN, can. YOUSEEC. How many vehicles can you see? So how many vehicles can you see here? How many vehicles having in this picture too? Here one vehicle is there. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 vehicles. 3 vehicles. See here. Third one. IN, in. WHICH, which. BOX, box. IS, is. THE, the. AHEN, hen. In which box is the a hen? So in which box to having hen? 9th box to. Which box to? 9th box to. So 9 box to having hen. Fourth question. HOW, how. MANY, many. OF, of. THE, the. ABO, VE, abo. ITEMS, items. DO, do. YOU. SEEC, IN, in. 5OUR, your. SCHOOL, school. How many above items do you see in your school? So how many items you are seeing? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items. 4 items we are seeing the school. So next to fifth question, children. HOW, how. MANY, many. PICTURES, pictures. How many pictures? ARE, THERE, there. BETWEEN, between. The, THE, the. COMB, comb. AND, and. THE, the. KEY, key. How many pictures are there between the comb and the key? So where is the comb? Comb and the key. So how many pictures are there? See here, comb here, key is there. So how many pictures are there here? So are you observing, children? How many pictures are there between the comb and the key? So 2 pictures. How many pictures? 2 pictures are there. 2. So how many pictures are there between the comb and the key? Comb here, key is here. So 2 pictures only having in between. Sixth question. WHET, what. IS, is. THE, the. NUMBER, number. OF, of. THE, the. BOX, box. BEFORE, before. THE, the. SLATE, slate. So what is the number of the box before the slate? So which number is the before the slate? Which number having before the slate? Slate number is 3, before 2 only. 2. So next one, 7th question. BETWEEN between, WHICH which, BOXES boxes, CAN YOUU, SEEC the LOCK lock. So between which boxes can you see the lock? So in which boxes too? Can you see the lock? Where is the lock? In fourth box too having lock. So in which boxes too between only having the lock? Third box and fifth box. Third box is slate and fifth box key. So third and 5 between only having the lock. Eighth question. WH80 what? IS is THE the NUMBER number. OF of THE the BOX box. NEXT next TO2 THE the MONKEY monkey. So what is the number of the box next to the monkey? So what is the number of the box next to the monkey? So next means their monkey in which box to having? 14th box to monkey is having. So in next box. Yes, which box is that? 15th box. So what is the number? 15. 15th box. So 15th box to cow only having. So next question, 9th question, observe children. WH80 what? IS is THE the NUMBER number. OF of THE the BOX box. BETWEEN between. THOSE those. TH80 that. HAVE have a BOOK book. AND and THE the BICYCLE bicycle. So what is the number of the box between those that have a book and the bicycle? So book and bicycle. So which number is there? So in book 6 number to having the book, 8th box to having bicycle. So in between which number is there? 7th number. So 6 and 8 between number is what children? 7. 7. So you learn the spellings also children. Okay. ANIMALS animals. ANIMALS animals. VEHICLES vehicles. MANY many. MANY many. HEN hen. ABOVE above. ITEMS items. BETWEEN between. Between means in middle numbers only we are taking the BETWEEN between. BETWEEN between. BEFORE before. BEFORE before. NUMBER number. NEXT next. NEXT next. BETWEN what? Between. So observe children. So learn these numbers also children. And between, after number and next number and before number you find out children. So you learn first of all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So all of you observing? So learn these numbers and this also spellings. Okay children, in next topic, in next class I will explain.